Hi, my name's Todd, and this is not my doyad, but my wife's place of business, the Cat's Familiar.
There.
Oh my gosh, Panther. Hello. Oh, what a fluffy little girl. Oh my gosh.
This is Milo.
This is Milo, yeah.
Milo.
So she has the white on both sides of her snout.
How are you, girl?
Those orange ones are gorgeous too. Oh my god, look at them all.
That's why
They'd be like, oh, gone. Well, they're already gone.
that's why they get scooped up so quick.
Yep.
And then this is Millie.
Hi, Millie.
She's the mustache. They're definitely more reserved in the carriers. They don't like the carriers or the car ride, but
Yeah.
she'll warm up a lot quickly. She's more friendly and will come out and see you, whereas Milo is a little more held back, but they both love attention, and they're both great moms.
Good.
And then, this is Joe.
Hi, Joe.
He
Hello.
loves kids.
Hello, Joe.
He's a great cat.
Hello,
He's probably
sweetheart.
my favorite personality-wise.
Oh, he is so cute.
Hey, Joe.
They just had their ears
Very
cleaned at the
trusting.
vet. So they might, that's why they're wet, is from the ear cleaner.
Oh my goodness.
This is Horse,
Hello, Worf.
the only tiger.
Also known as Worf.
Yeah.
Hey, Worf. Oh my gosh, they are gorgeous. They got some kind of cool name.
They're beautiful. All right, and then we have Geppetto.
Geppetto. Hello, Geppetto. Hello. What a sweetheart.
And this is Galaxy. She's super
wow.
friendly. She's super playful. No lasers in the eyes, please.
Look at the tortie. Oh my gosh, the colors on you. You are gorgeous.
And then this is Pearl. She's probably the most independent.
April, I don't have her.
She doesn't love. She's not super playful. She's not super cuddly. But she's a very neutral personality.
You are sweet.
Room to grow.
And they all had their flea prevention today as
Oh,
well.
good. Yeah, we're gonna get Walter and
And then this is Bone.
Bone. Hello, Bone.
McCoy.
Hello, Bone.
Hi.
And how old are all these guys?
They were just 6 were born on a Saturday and 4 were born on a Sunday. Don't ask me who is who.
Ooh.
And they just turned 8 weeks.
8 weeks.
8 weeks.
Yeah. I do have frontline for you for the 2 that got adopted, and I brought you a dose for him and broccoli too.
Oh, well,
And we just had a bunch of new kittens and 2 nearly adult cats. Everybody's a little hidey right now. I mean, they just showed up. There's adult kitty and a little kitten. I'm not even close to knowing their names yet. But everybody's a little nervous about new stuff. That one don't seem to be, though. Oh, cut it out. You didn't like Walter when he showed up either. You'll get over it. Lieutenant Broccoli, I think, recognizes new playmates. What do you think, Walter? What do you think, buddy? Oh, kittens. Okay, this one's name is Galaxy. She's a little female, apparently 8 weeks old. Striking markings. You're okay, girl. I promise. It's fine. It's okay. Yeah. Let's put you right down here for a second. Look at Joe. With the orange head and the long furs. It's okay. We'll put you back on the floor so you don't take a big jump. Hopefully you kids figure out potty training real soon. What do you think, Yeoman Rand? Gonna have fun playing with new kitties once they settle in a little bit? Maybe? This little cutie's name is Bone. A female. It's a cutie. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness, yes. Kitty bed. Very nice. Alright, so I guess that'll probably be it for a while. We're gonna let them settle in, and they'll get, I'm sure, many, many shorts of them in the not too distant future. And yeah, thanks for stopping by and checking out this little update. And we'll catch you next time. This has been an Empty Pockets production.